Good afternoon to our principals and dear teachers. I am Bhavesh Kumar, STUC of the school. I would like to invite Mrs. Reena Kumari Thakur for today's in-house training on the topic of connecting and communicating with parents. So please welcome Mrs. Reena Kumari Thakur. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Reena Kumari Thakur. I welcome you all in today in house training. The topic for today training is all about connecting and communication with parents. In today's society, school and parents are responding to increased expectations, economic pressure, and time constraint. In this changing times, effective partnership between teachers and parents become even more essential to meet the needs of the children. This year, Indian Actions 1995 describes communication with parents as one of 6 major types of parents involvement. Parents but practice effectively establishing strong working relationships between teachers and parents. Cultivation the teachers parents relationship is also considered vital to the development of school as learning. Communication may involve impressions created or words impressed. In fact, communications begins with the welcome sign when the parents first enter the school buildings. Welcome sign reflecting the range of the language spoken in the school community creates an even more inviting atmosphere. The next impressions may be the simple or atmosphere. The next impression to be simple or conversely lack of acknowledgement of official staff. Parents may also be positioned conversely of knowledge tightly influenced by the cleanliness of the school grounds, student artwork and the walls and the sound of the hallway. A customer-friendly school environment, the walls. How highly communication with parents is valued by staff, school staff, chambers. Impress communication involves one-way or two-way exchange. One-way communication occurs when teachers seek to inform parents about events, activity or student progress through a variety of sources such as an introductory letters of the beginning of the school year's classroom or school and introductory letters of beginning of the school year's classroom or school newsletter, report cards, communication, books, radio, announcements, school websites and so on. Two-way communication involves interactive dialogue between kids and parents. Conversations may occur during telephone calls, home visits, parents, teachers conference, open house and various school-based community activity. Teachers should activity in cooperate with strangers to maximize sharing information with parents. Written communication is probably the most efficient and effective way we can provide valuable ongoing corresponding between school and home. Written communication is a permanent product that requires careful consideration regarding format and content. The goal is on organized, concise, accurate information so that parents will read and understand it. Newsletters are commonly used to share written information with the parents' community. Consistent application of several specific stages can make classroom and school newsletter even more effective communication tools. Teachers to cooperate the same color, quality and paper size for all newspaper letters to create communication set use everyday language. A word level of 6th grade or lower, many word processing program include or options that will be automatically show reliability levels and ensure grammar spell checks and profiling of the information. Further purpose, the school develop and deceptive brochure to provide helpful information for new families moving into the school community. Report cards are the traditional clear and easy for parents to understand. The records should provide an analysis of academic of development across content area of information about students' strength and learning style, and assignment of the child social development, special goals for the student to work on an associated solution for the questions. Report cards also generally provided and invitations for the parents to regard usually in written format. Teachers should be review personal response is a timely manner to determine any required follow-up. Carefully prepare report cards coupled with the parents' conference as need provide effective communication regarding student learning. Significantly, teachers can prevent confrontations with parents by ensuring that the report card is not the first communication when concern exists. Rather, frequent progress report cards, phone calls, and all email messages should be support and improve student performance prior to the traditional report cards. Teachers have used a range of other creative approach for the communicates with parents. Grant 2004, for example, created literacy bag which is where sent at home with first grade student. This were development to help parents understand grade level expectations and to provide them with the materials and specific activity to support literacy development in their child. Students took the bags home on the rotating basis of parents were asked to contribute through a feedback journey. An independent survey of parents of understanding of grade level of expectations support of effections of the approach. Two-way communication occurs when teachers and parents dialogue together. Effective dialogue develops out of growing trusted multiplicity of the concern and the appreciation of contrasting preparations. However, more frequently the content is to share a concern about the child, which can be source of significant tension for the both teacher and parents alike. Teachers should be strive to make their interaction as productive as possible. One popular communication strategy is a phone call home. As the teacher of the multi-age class, guest staff, son and call the parents of each child in her the class monthly to discuss concern or to answer question. She noted that this the contact provide her with valuable information about the lives of her enter the family. Guest concluded that the solid academic performance and her student came at the least in part from positive communications with parents by the phone. Law 1996 advocated the use of good news calls to recognize with the parents by keeping calls brief and delivering messages needed, memorize and develop of the efficient way during school hours to contact all his 160 high school student parents. He notes that this initial positive forms fall at the stage for the more collaborative interaction level of needed because parents were already an oil. To be effective, parents-teachers conference required thoughtful and well-developed learning. Price and Mass developed a serious practical suggestion to address all aspects of this traditional parents-teachers conference. In planning for the conference, Price and Mass encouraged teachers to select an appropriate meeting time and location. Advise participants review the student of the advance, develop a clear purpose for the meeting and the performance. Teachers are advised to begin the conference with the friendly comment, the brief information, conditions and then explain the student progress is a straightforward way. Careful listening to a parent's input and ensuring time to the summarize and discussion and plan recommendations, establishing a specific time frame of the outset of the conference followed by the close other. Lastly, teachers are encouraged to follow up the meeting by the preparing a writing in conference summary in a line with the school board policies. Additional follow-up of the activities might involve making appropriate reference discussion with the relevant teachers or planning specific instruction or strategies. Parents are not looking for a cool performance approach from school staff. Rather, teachers who develop a personal touch in the communication style achieve in change school relationship. Similarly, teachers need to convey value of the authority and the wisdom of parents. Parents teach to confidence can also a prime situation for a cross-cultural communication to occur. Lessons imagine parents. For example, appear to culturally incompatibly and infection. Rather, a group of conference mood was better attended and more positively received by the participants. Thus, the teacher need to consider whether a traditional conference approach will meet the communications needs to parents community several. In recent years, educators and experiment with the various technology to communicate with parents and in innovative and time efficient way. Integrative technology can help school communicate quickly to a broad parents communicate classroom phones and voice mail, video technology, radio, announcement, school websites are also examples. Phones in each of the classroom permit teachers flexible, appropriate to contact parents from their classroom when the students are not present. Use of voice email to arguments, phones, communication has been specifically explored. To the exchange communication, appropriates with parents. One creates teachers, for example, maintain a daily with parents. One creative teachers, for example, mainly a daily 1 minute voicemail message for parents and students to call at the end of each day.